엄마가 너무
옳지.
힘들어. 내 제주. Hello, 지니들. 안녕하세요. 예진 TV입니다. Today we are going to be making bus
Chocolate chips.
chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips in the world.
Hey guys, yes, as she said, we're going to be making the best chewy chocolate chips in the world. So the first thing you'll need is obviously the ingredients, right? So I'll review them. You need white sugar, but we didn't have them, so we got like really light brown sugar. You need a half cup of white sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda. I put the flour and the baking soda in here. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a cup of chocolate chips, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a cup of butter. You also need a bowl to mix in and things to mix with. We recommend a spatula and anything to mix with. I forgot what this is called.
생각해볼게요. 뿌링.
So first, we are going to get the bowl and we're gonna put these 2 sugars in there together.
내가 맞아.
After that, we're going to put in the butter. Make sure it's melted, guys. Mix it. After that, let's add the egg. 박수! 애진이 손 씻고 올래? She washed her hands. And now let's mix it. So after you mix that in, we're going to add in the vanilla extract. 예진이 너무 힘들어 보인다. Okay, now we're gonna add in the teaspoon of salt.
It's so hot.
It's so hard, right? But her face is red. And the consistency will look like that. Okay, so now we're gonna add in the flour and the baking soda. That's not funny. 이제 천천히. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. She will mix like the first half of it and then she'll do the rest.
We don't want this to get messy. Our mom's
I'm gonna add like this much. She's tired. The consistency should be like this. You're gonna mix it evenly. Oh my gosh, guys, we forgot a step. We were not supposed to mix it with that. We were supposed to mix it with a spatula. It's okay. This is actually more harder to do 설거지, so it's okay. 엄마 would be proud of us.
This is Mimi.
Yeah, this is her meme. So, this is what the final batter, I guess, looks like. 엄지척.
엄지척.
We're going to be preheating the oven to 350. We're going to preheat it. We were going to use this oven, this big oven over here, but we're really lazy to take all these pans out. So we're gonna just use this small oven right here. Let's preheat it to 350. Yeah. So now let's put the cookies into the shape we want it to be. We'll quickly do that and we will be back to filming. So we divided the cookie into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, I can't count. 6 pieces. We have a lot in our bowl, but since it doesn't really fit, we will do it after we bake these. I'm really scared because last time I got burnt. I'm really scared. Oh my goodness, I'm really scared. Yay! 할아버지가 다시 출연했습니다. So we are going to 할머니 안 나와요. So we are going to be waiting 10 minutes, and then the cookies are gonna be ready. You excited? They both are nodding. 아 진짜 파리가 왜 이렇게 많지? So we got it out of the oven. Visual is not really really pretty because they got stuck together, but yeah. Let's try it. Oh, okay, never mind. I guess she's going for it.
That's so cool.
It's really good? Yay! Super crispy on the outside and soft on the inside.
영상은 재밌게 봤나요? If you did, like, comment, subscribe, and it's time.